how to build a WordPress website from scratch in 5 minutes. What's up everybody, my name is Jerry. I'm a 21 years old full-time internet marketer. I've built multiple WordPress websites for the past 3 years and I'm now making a 4-figure monthly passive income from just one of the websites I've built. So before we get started, I just want to clear your doubts and make sure there's no misconceptions about building websites. There are 3 most common misconceptions about building websites online from scratch. So number 1, most people think that you need to have coding and programming knowledge in order for you to build websites. No, that's definitely not true. With the technology today, there are a lot of online tools for you to build websites from scratch without touching a single line of code. So I know nothing about coding and programming, but I'm still able to create WordPress websites that generate me 4-figure monthly passive income. The second misconception is that you need a lot of money to get started. For example, you need to hire website designers or this. To be honest, that's also not true as well, because once again, there are tools for you to build websites without paying a single dollar. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. Alright, and then the third misconception is that it takes a lot of time to set up a website. So for this one, it's true to a certain extent because you need time to build a website to the point that it is generating you an income. You won't be making an income immediately once your website is up. You need to spend time to drive traffic, create content, all this. But the setting up of the site can be done within 5 minutes, and that's what I'm going to show you today. So without further ado, let's dive into building our WordPress website from scratch. There are 2 main components to a website. Number 1 is web hosting. Web hosting is kind of like a house for you to live in. 2 of the most common web hosting service is Bluehost and HostGator. And number 2, you need a domain name, which is the URL of your website. And this is kind of like the address of the house so that people can find where your website is. And the most common platform for you to get a domain is GoDaddy. However, the problem with these platforms is that they are all separate. You need to purchase them individually. So what most people do is that they go and purchase a domain from GoDaddy and then purchase a hosting service from Bluehost or HostGator, and then there are other add-on services that you need to purchase as well. Today, let me give you a solution to that. So let me introduce to you this platform called Wealthy Affiliate. Alright, so Wealthy Affiliate has everything under one roof, which means you can get your domain name and your web hosting. And not only that, Wealthy Affiliate also offers free SSL certificate. If you don't know what SSL certificate is, it's basically an add-on service to make your website more secure. And this usually costs additional fees in other web hosting companies. And the best part of Wealthy Affiliate is that it's free to get started. You don't need to pay for any hosting and domain name fees to get started. So to get started, simply head over to smartaffiliatesuccess.com/build website, and you'll land on this page where you can sign up to join Wealthy Affiliate for free, and then I'll show you how you can build a WordPress website from scratch in Wealthy Affiliate in just 5 minutes. Alright, so once you have created a free account with Wealthy Affiliate, you will be inside this community. So the first thing to do to set up your website is to go to this tab here called Websites. Click on it, and then you'll find this Site Builder. This is the website builder where you can create a free website to get started with Wealthy Affiliate and your own WordPress website. So the first step here, there are 3 options. So what we will do here is to use a free domain name and then to set up a free website for you. However, in the future, if you want to purchase your own domain name, you can simply click on this here to register a domain, and then you can search for the domain you want and then purchase it. Also, if you already have your own domain name, you can click click on this one and then create a website with the domain name you have owned. For example, if you have purchased a domain name with GoDaddy, you can simply put that domain name here and build a website using Wealthy Affiliates website builder. So for now, we'll just use a free domain to show you the process of building up your WordPress website with Wealthy Affiliate. So let's say my domain name, I want to call it Jerry Huang 12345. You can use any name you want as long as it's available. And then the title of your website is the name of your website. Just use the name you want. Usually it will be the same as what you have put in here. And then the last step is to choose a theme, which is the appearance of your site. And last but not least, click here to build this site. So this will take some time. For the theme you choose just now, you can choose any theme you want. Don't worry about it because you can change the theme afterwards in your website. Don't spend too much time on choosing a theme. Just choose any one of the theme based on your intuition. And then finally, here is our website. Your website is ready to go. So this is the page where you can log into your website. But before that, let's just go down here and then switch off the site SSL as for now because it will prevent you from opening up your website. So once this is turned off, click on login now and then you'll be brought into your WordPress website. Now this is the WordPress dashboard. The brand new website, you'll look exactly the same as this. For this, you can just dismiss it, and then this is your dashboard. This is where you can create your posts, your pages, do all the settings here, and then let me show you your website. Just click on the visit site here and this is your homepage right now and it is completely blank. But don't worry, this will be customized when you start editing your website. So this is your WordPress website ready to go, just that it needs some time for you to edit it and then customize it to the look that you want. So in the next video, I'll show you step by step on how to properly set up your WordPress websites, including all the settings, the plugins, the themes. So I hope that this video has given you a very clear demonstration and show you how easy it is to build a WordPress website from scratch without any coding, programming, or even expensive investments. Building a website today is really easy. Don't let your limiting belief prevent you from taking action and reap the benefits of the online world. It's really possible for you to build your own full-time passive income online. I've done it at 21 years old. I'm sure you can do that as well. Now, click on the link in the description below and start building your WordPress website from scratch with Wealthy Affiliate. Should you have any questions, simply leave them in the comments below or shoot me a message in Wealthy Affiliate. If this video is helpful to you, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell so that you will get notified when there's a new video. Take care and I'll see you in the next video.